Mark 9 verse 24, immediately the boy's father exclaimed, "I do believe, help me overcome my unbelief." Hebrews 11 verse 1, now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Psalm 34 verses 17 to 18, the righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, He delivers them from all their troubles. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Isaiah 41 verse 10, so do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Romans 10 verse 17, consequently, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7, for we live by faith, not by sight. James 1 verse 6, but when you ask, you must believe and not doubt, because the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. Matthew 17 verse 20, he replied, because you have so little faith. Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Psalm 46 verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Ephesians 3 verses 16 to 17, I pray that out of His glorious riches He may strengthen you with power through His Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.